Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the build-a-knife that I bought from Flytanium. So this is their beef, which I'll be modifying as well. Just some different scales, upgrading the bearings to the skiff bearings and switching out to the titanium thumb studs instead of the aluminum. But that one's pretty simple. I did purchase another one of their knives. If you've never heard of Flytanium, they're a really cool company that has created a few knives. I think they have 3 or 4 available, and this is like their affordable, budget-friendly, just workhorse. And then they have slightly higher end ones as well. This is 14C 28N blade steel, upgraded from the old version that used to be D2. They also upgraded from T6 hardware up to T8. So I mean, there were some improvements done to this knife, but this is kind of like your beater workhorse knife. Just an everyday carry that you can just do a lot with. Very beefy blade. That's where it gets the name. But Flytanium is very popular for their arcade, and they had some amazing sales going on, so I picked up the arcade on a really good deal, as well as a lot of the aftermarket parts that you can purchase for it. The beef does have, you know, some aftermarket parts. You can get scales, you can get thumb studs, the bearings, but the arcade is kind of like their build-a-knife. You can get the arcade light, which it's going to be a little bit more budget-friendly blade steel, some light scales, just you think they're like a polymer or plastic scale. And then they have the arcade, and then they have the arcade pro. The arcade is going to be aluminum scales with some inserts, like G10 inserts. I think some of them might be micarta. I can't remember for sure, but they have a lot of different options as far as scale colors, and like you can do a lot with these, but it can get very expensive, especially if you buy it at full price. But they do have some good sales, and I caught a really good sale, and that's why I decided to do this, because I thought it would be fun, especially since I've been getting into knives. I thought this was a perfect opportunity. So they also have the Arcade Pro, which is a titanium frame and a higher end blade steel, but that one was, I think original pricing is like $300. On sale is down to, I don't know, maybe $200 or something like that. But the arcade, the one that I got, is originally $200, which I wasn't going to buy, because doing knives, I want to stick between $30, $40 up to $100, $120 pushing it. But this was just a really good deal for what I wanted to try out. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked up, the pricing that I got it at. They also have the CONT, which is another knife that they offer. And then I think they just recently, not too long ago, released another knife that used to be sold by somebody else, but they basically bought it from them. I don't know. We're not going to get into that. Let's get into what I picked up. So here's all the stuff that I picked up for the beef: the skiff bearings, the titanium thumb studs, as well as the scales. But we'll keep that separate. This is just going to be for the arcade. So I do have the arcade here, but we'll get that opened up towards the end. So I picked up the titanium Mohawk backspacer in purple anodizing for the arcade. There's the Mohawk backspacer. And that was originally $41.50 down to just under $27. Then I'm not sure if you can see inside, but those are the skiff bearings, the upgraded version for the arcade. And these are originally $14. These were on sale for around $9, or the discount I got brought it down to about $9. Then I also picked up the arcade titanium get out of there pivot set. The fastener for the pivot is in the purple anodized as well. It's hard to see on camera, but there is a little bit of light anodizing on there. I think they could do a little bit heavier job on their anodizing. You can see it's a lot easier to see in person than it is on camera, but that could definitely use some work. The titanium pivot set is originally $25.50, especially if you're paying $25 for that. I expect some solid anodizing on there. That is down to $16.58. So I thought for that price it was a dang good deal, but once again, I still think the anodizing could use a little bit of work, because I've noticed that about a few of their products, even the titanium ones that I picked up for the beef. The anodizing is kind of the same way on here. It's really hard to see on camera. but the only part of it that you're going to see is the top. You can kind of see it's more blue over here than purple, but I think that kind of gives it character, and it's titanium, so you kind of it's a little bit harder to anodize. I think it'll give it character, honestly, but those I feel are a little light. There's the other one. But I think it'll create a pretty unique look to the knife for what I'm going for. And then we also picked up the titanium thumb studs for it, just like the beef. They are also quite light purple. So I have this idea in my head of what this knife is going to look like, and it's pretty exciting for me because I've really gotten into that purple accent lately, and I think it's going to look really good. Obviously, purple isn't for everybody, but I think this is going to look pretty sick. So the thumb studs, the titanium thumb studs, are originally $16.50 down to just under $11. They also had a deal going on, obviously, the arcade over here. This is originally $200, and it was down to $120, $129. So I really wanted to try it out because it's a locking system that I've never used before. If you guys are into knives, obviously you guys already probably know about this, but there's your sticker, information and care guide. It comes packaged really well, but they had a deal going on. Basically, not only were things discounted pretty heavily, but you also spend $50, you got a free patch. You spend $200, you got a free, basically, knife cleaning or maintenance kit, like that little baggie. But here's the knife that I went with. I would have liked the titanium, but it's just more than what I wanted to spend. And this is the first time I'm looking at it, so this is the way it came. You got these Ultim scales back here, inlays that you can swap out. They actually include, some black ones if you want to do a full blackout on this. But they have a lot of different color combos, black and gray, and then stonewash blade or the black PBD. This one made the most sense to me for what I want to change it into. So I probably won't be rocking any of these scale inlays. And then these are purple aluminum, which actually, you know, is anodized quite a bit better than the titanium stuff. But this almost looks, I mean, it looks purple sometimes when I look at it, and then I look again and it looks blue to me. I don't know. It's supposed to be purple. But that is the arcade that I picked up. See the action. Ooh, it's definitely a weird action, I guess, if you're not used to it. This is the shark lock. A little bit of jimping up there and on the front. That's nice. Well, that is a weird lock. I like it. It's very mechanical. So you kind of got to pull back and lift up. Yeah, I was going to say, if you just pull back, it feels funny. But if you kind of pull back and lift at the same time, it's quite smooth. It's hard to explain. It's definitely different than all the other knives that I own. But I like it. I like that it's different. It's definitely fidgety, and it's supposed to be a very strong lock. So I will have a video on this, but it is S35VN. There you can see Flytanium with the fly. And then on this side, S35VN. Some nice jimping, but once again, I'll have a full review on this knife. So that was down basically $70. And then since I spent the $50, I got the free patch, which they included, which is just a random patch, the Flytanium little patch. Being at that, I think I was like $9 short on the $200 total spent. And they have some carbon fiber scales that I want to get for this, but they're sold out. It's the purple haze ones, and so I'm going for a whole black and purple look on this. That's why I went with the black blade. But I was $10 short on the next, $9 short on the next free product that would be included. So I picked up the Fly Driver keychain. It's a 1/4-inch bit driver. That's a keychain, and it was Originally $7 down to $5.50. Available in 2 different colors, black and purple. So it's just like a little T handle, and you drop your bits in there, and it is magnetic. Pretty good magnet too. I like that. Probably take the key ring off of there and just keep it here. This will be good for like a pivot driver. So I picked that up, and then I wasn't quite at the $200 mark, so I just picked up one of their other patches because it was originally $8.95 down to $5.80. So I got the beef patch to go along with my beef knife. So I thought that was pretty cool. And that literally just got me to the $200 mark. And so they had thrown in the Flytanium knife care kit. I want to say this is originally around like $20 or $25, but got this pouch, got some Velcro on the back, Flytanium there. Open it up. Got a little work area, and then inside, we're about to find out. A little cleaning cloth. And then you got a blue stick Loctite, thread locker right there. And then you also have green slick pivot lube or knife lubricant. So it's a nice little maintenance kit. And then something that surprised me, something they added to my order afterwards, which was also another free item, but wasn't part of the promo going on. Another sticker included. But they also included some glow-in-the-dark scales for the arcade, so I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if I'll run them or not, especially switching from the... Maybe if I had the arcade light that already comes with the cheaper scales, but I thought that was kind of a cool little add-on that they just threw in with the order. And so that is what I picked up from Flytanium. But if you guys are interested in kind of something like this, they do have the cheaper beef that you can kind of modify with some parts. That's a good one to try out. But if you want to try out something a little bit more expensive, a little bit higher quality, they do have this. So let me know your guys' thoughts on the purchase, or if you guys have tried out Flytanium. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.